Hi there everyone, once again this is Digital Life Changer.
Let's go.
In this video, we are going to unbox a new 24-inch gaming monitor from GOMA. We will also test the performance of the monitor using actual games later in the video. By the way, if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified to our next unboxing videos. Shout out to the following from our last video.
I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything?
First, let's examine the package for any shipment concerns. This is very important since this is our chance to evaluate if we will return the package or not. Then, let's proceed unwrapping the package. Note that most online sellers will only accept return products with an unpacking video, so better record everything.
I need a change.
Here, we have the actual product box. We can see the product model and the features of the new gaming monitor. Here's a quick look of the product details.
And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do?
Now, let's carefully take out the new gaming monitor.
And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Inside, we have two plastic packs. The first includes the stand assembly, screws, power cord, and HDMI cable. The second pack includes the base for the stand assembly.
Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on.
At the back, we can see the power, VGA, and HDMI ports. Now, carefully lay down the monitor upside down to start the mounting of the stand. A screwdriver will be needed to install the stand, so it's better to have it nearby. Next, let's assemble the stand. You will be needing 2 screws to mount the tilt adjustment at the back of the monitor, and 3 screws to fix the base of the stand.
In the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night. Oh, and we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Once attached, let's check if the setup holds together.
What you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
By the way, the new monitor seems to support Vesa Mount. Using the 4 mounting holes, you can wall mount it too. So, this is how it looks like after the assembly. Now, let's have a quick check on the product. For my first observation, the plastic stand is not that very stable when you tap the monitor from the sides. But again, it has mounting holes at the back, so you can use a different stand or a wall mount. So, let's run a few games on the new gaming monitor. It runs smooth on GTA 5, which is a popular game here in our gaming cafe. Colors are actually vivid. It might not show well because of the quality of my phone's camera. On fast-paced scenes, there is no tearing on the display, which is very good for a 1080p monitor at 75Hz refresh rate. Our next game will be Valorant. Valorant has become the most popular game and has pumped the business in our area. Gaming was smooth and colors are vivid. There are no issues observed on fast-paced scenes or during combat, which means that the new monitor is really good for gaming.
One enemy remaining. Well, that's enough.
So here is my verdict on the product. For me, definitely, I'll be buying another GOMA monitor for both personal and business use because it is very cheap and it performs well. With the 24-inch screen size, vivid colors, 1080p resolution, and 75Hz refresh rate, this is a good buy for your business and even for your personal use. I have 2 GOMA units installed on my PisoNet business and for 8 months there were no issues. So that's it for today's episode. But before we go, if you are new to our channel, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Our goal is to reach as many people as possible with our simple videos. We hope that our videos in some ways could help them too. Until next time, bye-bye.
Everybody in the world blind. Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give.